All right, bro. It's been a long day, and I ain't gonna lie, I forgot. I was inside eating my Chinese food, chilling, but I figured I'd come out and make the video real fast, so you know I ain't lying. So we on GTA. Put my hands in so you can see. You said hop on the hood of the car 4 times and shoot your weapon off into the air while spinning. Hop in the blue car and do a donut. All right, bet. 3, 4. Oh well, I fell off. We're gonna try again. All right, let's try this one. Jump. You jump off the car on here, bro. When you jump, that should be good enough. Now we're gonna get in the blue car. Oh, don't run away. All right, blue car. Is that enough for you, bro? I don't know if I shot 4 times successfully yet, but we'll try again. 1, 2, 3, 4.